Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy. In this video, I'm going to talk about Grab to be listed in the US market. How is the company compared to existing players such as Uber or Lyft? And if the IPO worth taking a look. We do not have Grab financial statement, so everything I speak in this video is cross-reference to the existing businesses that are already listed in the exchange when the informations are publicly available. To begin, Grab has actually made a good strategic move to list in the US market, mainly because the company will get higher valuation from the US market. 2. Time is running out for Grab. The company was incorporated in 2012. After 8 months of funding and raised over $6.5 billion US dollars, the company is showing signs of aging, and it is about time for early investors to cash out before the hype dies away. Remember a few years ago, sharing economy is the in thing. One can almost share anything in the digital platform, such as car, bicycle, home, office, anything that you can think of. In China, the sharing extends to power bank, umbrella, stool, anything under the sun can be shared, they share. This sharing economy somehow backfired. It brings out the dark side of human behavior, create wastage and pollutions. And Grab somehow knows that too. They focus on Grab Pay and Grab Food in those years after Uber pulled out from Asia market. Before we look into whether it's worth to invest in Grab, we want to look at 3 things. 1. Profitability. 2. Sustainability. 3. Growth. Since we do not have Grab financial statements, we are making comparison with Uber and Lyft in the US and Didi in China. Both Uber and Lyft are listed in China. To date, both companies are still making losses. Whereas Didi in China has reported making $1 billion last year. Grab has a business model very similar to Uber. Other than car hailing, both have Grab Food and Uber Eats, Grab Delivery and Uber Freight. In terms of number of trips, Uber has made more than 2 billion trips per month, whereas Grab has made 1.4 billion trips per month. Uber is used across 69 countries and Grab operates only in 8 countries. As of today, Uber has more than 110 billion market cap. Grab, when listed, is estimated to have 40 billion market cap. By just looking at Uber or Grab, none of the companies is making money till date, and Grab is projected to profitable only in 2023. In terms of sustainability, Grab is here to stay. Its major competitors is Gojek, and we know that Gojek is undergoing its own SPAC listing, and this may slow down Grab expansion plan because, as you know, Gojek is the major competitor of Grab in this region. In terms of growth, the foreseeable sector is digital banking with Singtel. How's that going to work out remains uncertain. Now again, if I take reference of Korea and China, the average payback time is 2 years or more for digital banking. In this region, only a small number of digital banks are profitable. WeBank, which is backed by Tencent, has 565 billion profit, which is the highest among all. Now, if you ask me, this figure is impressive, but compared to the traditional banks in China, the figure is not worth mentioning. Grab is scheduled to list on the 3rd quarter of 2021, so I'm going to keep you updated when more information surface. If you find this video useful, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you and you have a great day.